Hey guys, I wanted to do this video because I talked about it in a past video. I've been going over a lot of the stuff with Travis, and we are basically going to be doing a no buy or a low buy starting in January. And I wanted to let you guys know kind of like our ground rules for it, because we're going to be documenting our journey, and I thought it would be fun if any of you guys want to do it with us. How it's going to work for us, because everybody does these differently, but for us, we are going to be doing a no buy or low buy. So what that means is we're going to basically do our best to not buy anything for the month of January. And I know that some people do this for a whole year. I think that's amazing. We're going to start just with January, see if we can get through that. And then if we can, maybe we'll do another month, and then who knows, maybe we'll do a year. Maybe I won't be able to get through 1 week. We'll see. But I am going to be doing this, and the main reason I'm doing this is because Travis and I cannot get pregnant naturally, as most of you guys know, and we really would like to have another baby. This is something that we have been wanting to do for a while. We've already started the IVF process. Well, we already did a whole cycle of IVF, but we have to start all over again from the beginning, and that is extremely expensive. So we've had meetings with doctors, we've been paying for those, and we're just trying to basically save up enough money, because for where we live and the doctor we're going to, we have to pay everything up front. We can't pay as we go or do like payment plans for this doctor, and she's supposed to be the best doctor, and so we need to save our money. And we're also trying to save money to buy investment properties, so like a house that we would rent out, or Airbnb or something like that, so that we can have extra streams of revenue and income coming in, because YouTube is not our only job. It's very unpredictable. They're changing things all the time, and we like to make sure we have money coming from a lot of different places, not putting all of our eggs in one basket. That's what we really want to save our money for. And also another huge reason is because we are realizing the impacts of our planet and how like fucked up it's becoming because of how many things we buy, and just like we just want to be more eco-friendly for the planet, and also to save money for all the reasons I just told you, and also because I think that I have a shopping problem. It's a really bad habit, and I really want to try to break that. So for all of those many reasons, that's why we're doing the no buy for January. And how it's going to work, so our rules that we've put in place for ourselves is, one, as far as like food goes, obviously we need to buy food, but we're going to try to use all the food we have in our house, and then we're also going to try to cook more meals, not eat out. Instead of buying like canned beans, buying like dry beans and cooking them, things like that. Obviously we have to pay our bills, so that we can't really scoot around. We don't have cable, we only have like Netflix. That's like where we watch our stuff, and then YouTube, obviously. No makeup, so I'm not allowed to buy any new makeup, no new skincare, none of that at all. Like no exceptions. Shampoo and conditioner, once my shampoo and conditioner is gone, I'm going to be trying out the shampoo bars. I'm actually really scared to use those because I don't know if they're gonna work. Like I've never used them before. I don't know, actually, have I used them? I don't know. If I have, it must not have worked. But like I'm just scared it's not gonna like clean my hair well, but I'm gonna try doing that so it cuts down on waste and plastic. We'll also try to buy like food in bulk so that it's cheaper, and also try to find places that have like less packaging. What else? So like as far as craft supplies, that will be like a low buy, because I do a lot of like DIY stuff for work, and so if I do buy stuff, it's going to have to be like very little of it, and getting like the cheapest possible stuff that I can get to do whatever I'm doing. Also no clothes, not buying any new clothes. Anything that we need, like need, we will try to buy secondhand, so like thrift stores, garage sales. What else? Like Facebook Marketplace, I heard is, I don't really use Facebook, but I'm gonna start just for that reason. Facebook Marketplace, I guess, is like a place where you can like sell stuff and buy stuff really inexpensive. And then I'm also, during this time, going to be why can I not talk? I'm also going to be like decluttering a lot of our house and getting rid of a lot of stuff. So either selling or donating a lot of the stuff that we have that we just don't use. I'm trying to think of like other rules that I had for myself. Oh, I was thinking of getting bidets for the toilet so that we don't have to buy toilet paper. I know that sounds really gross to a lot of people, but if you think about it this way, so for females, when we go potty, you know, if we were just to spray ourselves off with water and then it's totally clean, and then you just take like a washcloth and pat yourself dry, that's not really gross. Like, you know, if you think about like your underwear, you wear your underwear all day and then you wash that and reuse it. So it's kind of the same thing. As far as going number 2, with a bidet system, again, you like can make these little sprays that you put by your toilet, and it's kind of just like soap and water, and you spray it and then you use the bidet and it like flushes water all off. So it's almost like you get cleaner using a bidet because you're using like soap and water to clean off the poop, than just like toilet paper, where like the toilet paper pieces can get like stuck in your butt, which can be like kind of gross. And then you're basically clean, and then you're just patting yourself dry with like a washcloth. It's called family cloth is what, if you guys want me to do a video on that, let me know. But I'm highly considering that. Travis said he will not do it, but I will do it, and I know that it will save a lot of toilet paper because I go through a lot of toilet paper. I pee constantly, and we work from home, so we're at home all day using toilet paper. Every time I pee, I use like, you know, a decent amount of toilet paper. I tried going just 1 or 2 squares, but just doesn't work for me. I need more than that. And so I think that the whole bidet system will really save a lot of money. So we're not buying paper towels. We've used like just washcloths and stuff. As far as like feminine stuff, I can't use a menstrual cup because it's way too painful for me. I have severe endometriosis, and I can't even put a tampon inside of myself. I can't have sex. It's really bad. I need to go to the doctor. Although I've already had 2 surgeries for it, and I know that they're gonna tell me I probably just need another surgery, and I feel like each surgery it gets worse, so I don't want to go, and I've kind of been avoiding it. So I've been using reusable pads, like cloth pads. I know probably a lot of people think that's disgusting. It's actually not that gross, at least for me, and I really love it. So I've been doing that, so I won't have to buy anything, you know, like no pads or tampons. I don't have to buy any of that. And I wear the same fucking thing every day. And in case you haven't noticed, I know a lot of people make comments like, oh my God, go throw away that onesie. I'm like, I love this onesie, you guys. It's like a $20 onesie from Walmart that I got like years ago, and I love it and I live in it. I wash it like, you know, and then I just wear it. I wash it, I wear it. I have a lot of other clothes that I don't ever wear, but this is just the most comfortable thing, and I just don't care. Like, I really just don't care what other people think about me and like what I wear. Like, why do people care that I wear the same thing? Like, who fucking cares? Like, I don't care what you're wearing. You know what I mean? Like, and so I just don't give a fuck, and I wear the same thing every day. And so there are like my closet I really need to go through, because again, I don't wear that much stuff that's in my closet. A lot of it is just sitting there and will. And so I'm gonna probably like use apps like Mercari, Poshmark, you know, Facebook Marketplace, all these things to try to like declutter and get rid of a lot of my stuff. That way I'll be making money and not spending as much money, and then hopefully that will help with, you know, being able to do and pay for IVF, because I really want another baby. Really want Snow to have a sibling. I grew up with siblings, and I just can't imagine my life without them, and I just don't want Snow to grow up being like, and not that there's anything wrong with being an only child, but I would just love to be able to grow our family, and I have so much love to give, and I just would love to love another baby and give them a good home, and love to have Snow grow up with a sibling. And I just think that that's really special, and I really want another baby. It makes me sad just thinking about it. I'm not gonna get emotional, but I just wish it was like easy for us to get pregnant like most people. It makes me sad. This is not that type of video. I just really want another baby, and I get really frustrated sometimes because I'm just gonna vent to you. Is that okay? because like I just see so many people and like a lot of my friends getting pregnant, or like just people I know getting pregnant online, and I'm really happy for them. It just makes me sad for me, because it just reminds me that I can't get pregnant naturally, and it's just really hard for us. And especially right now, we can't afford to do IVF like up front, like how they want us to do it. And it just makes me really sad, because I know the longer I wait, the harder it's gonna be for us to get pregnant. And it just makes me sad. And I know there's just a lot of people out there that get pregnant and like can't afford a baby, or like didn't even want to get pregnant, or maybe they don't treat their kids very well, and it just makes me sad, because I see people like that getting pregnant, and I think like, why does God give them kids and not me? I must have like done a lot of bad things in my past life or something, or maybe when I was like growing up, I'm being punished for all like the fucked up shit I did as a kid. But hopefully this no-buy will help us be able to save money to be able to do IVF again, because that's like the main reason why we're doing it. So I hope every time I want to go buy something that I think of Shannon, you really want another baby, don't buy this, so that you can save money for IVF. And yeah, anyway, I don't know what, I'm sorry for crying in this video. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go make a Patreon video. And to all the patrons that are over there that are watching this right now, thank you so much. You guys are the reason that I get to continue making YouTube videos. You're also helping us be able to pay for our next IVF. So thank you to everybody over there. And thank you for watching this YouTube video, because you guys also help. Every time you guys watch our videos, it helps to support us. And I just love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching. If you're gonna do the no buy, low buy with me, let me know down in the comments. And also, if you guys have any good advice for me, or just anyone else that wants to do this that's curious, leave it all down in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sending you all my love and all my positive energy, and I hope to see you in my next video. Mwah! Also, follow me on Instagram if you don't already, because I post a lot there about the things I'm doing and buying, and or not buying, the things I'm not supposed to be buying. I also forgot to add and mention in, because I got carried away on my IVF thing, I'm sorry. I'm going to be tallying up all the things that I want to buy that I'm not buying, and how much I end up saving that month, and yeah, how much like we end up saving. Anyway, okay. All right, that's it for real this time. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!